have the Jeffrey Bezos. By staying in this meeting, you consent to being live streamed. Anyone with access to the live stream can watch or share with others. Yes. Got it. I am being live streamed. I guess now I have to consent to that. I consent. Cool. I'm cool with it. Let it be. All right. Okay, there's that. Now we got to get the TikTok going, and then we'll be ready to go here. All right. TikTok. How'd everybody do yesterday? After. You did well. The morning session. Pretty proud of you all. It was really good. Good. The gains and shut it down. That's the way to go right there. Okay, so I kept up some things that are, would take off if they triggered, and that's AHPI, LC, Team, Hood, Robinhood, Cook, AMD, and RMED. Now, regarding the market, right now, the market went back up to about 439 as a high in pre-market, but it hit, the low of yesterday, which was 437.20. And right now, it's like right in the middle. It's like at 438 something. And so I think what we have there is if SPY breaks pre-market high, then we can consider the market bullish. If SPY instead goes down and breaks yesterday's low, we can consider it bearish. And in fact, I think if it were to break yesterday's low, that would possibly send people into a panic, and we'd probably go and do my SPY panic drop play. So we have a way to read the market today, so that's good. So we can figure out it's going to be bullish, is it going to be bearish? Now it's possible that it's just going to whip around inside of that range that I just talked about too. So that's another possibility, and it doesn't actually go bearish, and it doesn't actually go bullish. All right, now you bet, Ahmad. Ahmad says, I want to make some money today, please. I mean, a lot of money. I lost a lot the past 3 months. Okay, thank you, Ahmad. Yeah, listen, stay tuned, and listen through, and we'll make sure that you get into something that works out for you. All right, Heji was not Heji. HJLI. And there we go. It's stealing my focus again. Something. I swear it's something on Zoom. HJLI. What? Why can't I type HJLI? Change. What was I just about to do? Yeah. Okay, that looks good. Was closed at 6.5 yesterday, hit 9.3, and it's now sitting at 8.3. Looks like it can continue. What's the news on it? FDA news. And the float, 7.5 mil. Perfect candidate. Okay. So next up, we have WHLM. That Wilhelmini or whatever. Again, we were trading that the other week. No news that I can see. Float is, it says 144,000. That be even real? Never seen a float that low. Never. Like basically has no float. It's all out of shares. I might just get into that right now. That chance on that. WHLM. Okay, good there. Trying to find some spot where I can buy some shares. All right, so the play on Wilhelm will be if it breaks $7, get in for $1 of risk. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get in now for 40 cents of risk and 50 cents of risk, and cross my fingers. You know, that can be a play sometimes. Particular account, it's not very many shares, but I want to definitely try and play this one. Market. Right, that was so fast. What a fill. That was a very fast fill. Okay, 5.2 million float on TD. Although, wait a minute now. Cesar, Thinkorswim at least doesn't show float information. So what do you mean on TD? Web app or something? Okay, next up we're looking at here is T-Bio. Jeez. Wow, that's some volatility, and now totally flat. Now that could be a buyout. All right, I need to see the news on this one. Yeah, it's an acquisition. Sanofi to acquire it. Okay. Wow, can you believe it? People speculated. So the news came out that there was going to be an acquisition yesterday, and the stock was at $28. It went all the way up to $55. So people bought around $55. And then this morning, the report is they're going to acquire it for $37 a share. So people who bought for $55 just lost like half their money. Been around with that shit, man. Anyway, we're not going to be trading that. Holly with only 64K volume. PCSA, possibly. PCSA, let's see. It's pretty fadey. So every time it makes a new high, it fades all the way back down and doesn't look so good. I'm going to keep it up in like the corner. How is Donut doing? Let's see. Wow, still just crashing down to the ground. Nope, nothing going on in Donut. What stock did I buy pre-market? I bought Wilhelm, WHLM, which possibly has a very low float. TD Ameritrade app is saying 5.2 million shares outstanding for Wilhelm. That's what they're referring to. Shares outstanding, correct. Do you know what that is? That's how many shares are in the pool to trade. Not even available. They could all be soaked up by buyers already. The float is available shares ready to be purchased. So yeah, they don't equal correct. Yeah, and from what I'm seeing here, and it's usually pretty accurate. The Market Chameleon, it has 144,000 float, not even a million. I've never seen that before, so I kind of want to be all over it today and see what happens. Now percent change. HJLI, Wilhelm, OTLK with 13 million shares traded. Surge on late stage, whatever, late stage, whatever. And OTLK. One of these days, I'm going to be trading something that cures cancer, and I'm not even going to give a shit. Like, hilarious. Like, they've actually found the cure for whatever. It doesn't matter. Let's trade the fucker. IO, Auto is another one. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yep. What is this dollar? You said dollar risk if it breaks 7. That's right. That's right, Tyler. Yes. And I happen to just get in now. I can buy more if it breaks the 7. I can get out if it breaks 6. And so there we go. You have a free trading course? Well, that's cool. Break fast bangers. Right. Where can I find your training? You can send me a private message, and I'll send you the link. You guys over on TikTok, click the link in my bio. Go over to my profile, click the link in my bio, and you can come over to my trading room right now. We're trading live. We'll be trading the markets live in 11 minutes. All right, so I'm going to put a couple of these onto our high-speed radar. I'm going to look at big caps also. If anybody wants to get me the largest, the cap with the most upgrades. In the meantime, I'll be back on that in about 1 minute. So I want to get Wilhelm up there. Hi. Now, picks go. All right, now I'm going to go by market cap here and see what's up by market cap. Anything is up exceptionally up. EP is up 6%. Sometimes, you look at these and they look a lot better when you look at them. Sometimes they sound good, and then you look at them and they don't look so good. That looks pretty all right. $24 yesterday, went all the way up to $25.60. I'll keep that in the corner here. What's up, Nikki? All right, moving down the list. 21 billion. ZI. Now that's what I'm talking about. 21% gains. ZI closed at 54 yesterday. Is all the way up to 63 today. Oof, very nice. Now that I'm going to put up here. Yeah, maybe. All right, ZI, it looks great. What is the news on that? That was the earnings. Okay, good. And then Sedge, SEDG. Solar Edge sizzles after forecasting Q3 revenues above consensus. Solar Edge beats on revenue. Sedge. All right, so we'll be watching that as well. Oof, that's nice. It went from 261 all the way to 294 right now, and it's really breaking to the upside even right now. So if you want to get into that, your stop would have to be, if you want to get into that pre-market, your stop would have to be 286, 294, 44, 8. So $8 of risk on Sedge if you wanted to. I will put labels on Sedge, SEDG. If you want to get into Sedge now pre-market, $94. It's $8 of risk. That's so you can calculate how many shares you can buy. $294 a share. But what I'm really looking for on ZI and Sedge, I'm going to put Sedge over here, is for them to pull back and create a green 5-minute candle breaks over red 5-minute candle high. All right, continuing down the list. RL with 7.6% gains. Beats by, okay, so let's take a look at that. That could be good. Got some decent picks this morning. I'm liking that. X. And let me take a look at the market. Still sideways. And RL closed at 118 and hit 130. So it's at 128. So definitely that's a good potential play as well. Fuckwall. All right, James, I'll take a look at Fuckwall. Fuckwell. They are condom manufacturer. That'd be just like in the future, there's just no, what do they call it? No common courtesy left, and then you just go to the store and you'll give me the massive fuckers, like everything's just, there's no, what is it? I'm trying to think of no courtesy. No, that doesn't look too good. FKWL. IMRA. Maybe. All right. No, I don't think so. Let's keep it limited to. I'm showing here in the Market Chameleon, I think. All right. Still going down the list. 8% with from Sava. Sava looks like it may have released their earnings, and they were good. Let's see. Okay. All right. Yeah. Maybe we get a trade out of Sava this morning. All right. We have 5 minutes until the opening bell. Dogecoin, Ahmad. I think all crypto is bearish right now. So keep holding, I guess, if you're in it. Does your broker ever execute a stop at 10 p.m.? No, I think your broker was mad at you. Something happened with it there. You guys over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my profile, in my bio, so you can come join our trading community. All right, yeah, I'll put up the chart names now. Very small. Everybody on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio. Come join the trading room right now. I'll take a look at GE in a second, but I'm doubtful that there's anything we have to get. I'd like to know about Ford. Is what I'd like to take a look at. All right, ZI. Does anybody know what that is? I seem to remember it. Rated that before. Yeah, we're going to need to take a look at our swing trades and reassess those. All right, now let me just see if I can. All right, there you go. Now, let me take a quick look at the IPO calendar and see if we have anything significant going on there. I'm not going to guess on earnings. I'll play the earnings after the earnings come out. That's the professional way to handle earnings. No, we really don't have a decent IPO today. Better Being Company. Tomorrow there'll be something interesting, and maybe there'll be more on the calendar as well. All right, I'm going to refresh the Market Chameleon. We've got 3 minutes until the market open. And let's see if there's anything new popping. Possibly Holly, Holi. Worth watching though. Pretty low volume. 100,000 shares. Matic, I love Matic, but don't be getting into crypto right now. Now's the time to sell. FNKO. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's up a little bit. It's not a real strong trade that we're looking for. Coinbase already traded its IPO, sir. SSNC and fell so hard yesterday, but it got a price upgrade to 85. All right, well, let's see what that does for it. We've got some people cheerleading in our favor. It looks like WLTW. Let's see, trading into a lot of baggage range, but I'll keep it up. WLTW if it starts. What's the volume pre-market right now in WLTW? 0.7 million shares looks like. That could be good. Doesn't look like it. That's accurate. It might not be. Yeah, that's yesterday's candle. Yeah, I'm going to skip WLTW. It looks pretty low volume. All right, 30 seconds to the market open. Make sure you click the link in my bio, you guys, over on TikTok. Shutting down the TikTok stream in about 1 minute. All right, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, we got to break on something somewhere. I'm getting the bings. AHPI for 50 cents of risk. Just triggered an entry. AHPI. Like Wilhelm's going to crap out, so I'm going to exit that trade if it breaks through basically 5.9. Just so you know that. Okay, where are we going? Okay, LC broke to the upside. LC. Get a zoom in. Come on. It's about 80 cents of risk. LC. So AHPI and LC. And the market is sideways. There goes Wilhelm crapping out. It can't bounce off 5.9. I'll be getting rid of that. Looks like it is. AHPI moving up. AMD breakout. Dollar of risk. AMD stop is 108. Sedge with a huge breakout. Mother of Jesus. It's already up 15 points on the open. Yeah, we basically missed that one. That breakout would have been at 294 for $8 of risk. As a matter of fact, I think some of you may have gotten into that pre-market. Sedge. If so, take 5 to 20% profits every $5. No bacon this morning. Alvi says 2 minutes late. Anything I miss? Yeah, everything. This is the most important 2 minutes. Okay, Holly just broke. If Holly can break $20, HOLI, Holly, if it can break $20, so 20.01, you can get in for $1 of risk. Okay, the market is starting to crap out. Market. And there goes Wilhelm. We're looking for $7. Yeah, I know, man. Spirit Airlines short. Yeah, really. What is it doing? Weird stuff going on with Spirit. Right? So we're still in Wilhelm and it's doing good. I think it's Wilhelmina, the name of the company. Possibly. We traded it before, possibly. About a month ago. There she blows, Wilhelmina. Take profits every dollar level, underneath every dollar level on AMD. If you took that trade. Is anybody in Sedge? It'd be pretty cool if you got in pre-market at $8 of risk. Someone bought 10% of all shares. Oh my goodness. That is a low float. DI at that little breakout we were looking for. Now, but let me see if I can get the 5-minute candle. Okay, good. It hasn't signaled yet. Okay. If anybody wants Sedge second chance, that's if it breaks 309. If it does, you could then get in for $8 of risk. Happens to be how that works out. So 309 Sedge, $8 of risk. Wow. Okay, something just broke out to the upside. Where was that? Oh, I think it was Pfizer when I pulled it up. All right, who got into Holly? Holly broke the $20 level. You're doing good on Holly for $1 of risk. Tesla going down, Apple going trending down, Amazon trending down, the market moving down. If the market breaks 437.20, 437.2 SPY, 437.2, that's yesterday's low, then we'll short the market with options. That's the SPY panic drop play. AHPI. It's an AHPI. That was 50 cents a risk, I think, when we broke out. 951 at the opening bell. Okay, Holly is making progress. HOLI. Make sure you take 5 to 20% beneath the $21 level on Holly. Yeah, Pfizer's going up, but we missed it. It's too late. Entrance should have been at 44.37 right after the opening bell. Oh, well, that's good. All right, we need to take a look at other stocks because, I mean, these other ones that we have here. Because Lulu may not have the volume we need. Chart, though. All right, AHPI, moving on up. Make sure you take 5 to 20% off beneath the $10.50 level. I mean, yes, there's like that little wedge breakout, but there's so much bag holding on Clove that it's going to be hard for it to trade well. All right, AMD hit 110. There's AMD breaking over yesterday's high. Very important point there. Not already in, that could be an entrance for you. You set your stop to 108.80. So that's about, I can't do the math super fast, $1.80 of risk, I believe. Thank you, Preston. That's correct. Watch your break-even stop on AHPI. LC, you may have been just stopped out on LC if you got into LC. That turned and went the other way. Very nice. Yes. Pfizer's just been on a mad run. Team Atlassian software. Did anybody get into that? Break of 327, and it's already at 335. Going to try and get us into a swing trade on that, but boy, it really took off. Too late now. Right, Cook is doing something. Cook, breakout, Cook, COOK. 70 cents of risk. Oh man. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, Neos, bearish as heck. It's not worthwhile. And there goes ZI. Breakout on ZI. You can get ZI for $3 of risk. The market is getting closer to breaking down below yesterday's lows. That's going to send it into a nice little panic. Wilhelm is ranging. I'm going to de-risk 50% on this next upper end of the range that it hits. Right there. All right. So I just got 50% of my Wilhelm position off at the upper end of the range. Excuse me. Okay, here we go. Here's the break on Wilhelm. There it is. $1 a risk. Entry on Wilhelm. It's halting. It's halting. WHLM. You have about 10 seconds left. And we're halted. Good stuff, Norm. I'm still in it too, but I just de-risked half on that. Yep. Never know. Based on the way it was trading, it was the right move. We couldn't have known that it was going to pop off like that, but you had plenty of time to get back in. I'm saying get back, get into Wilhelm at 7 for $1 of risk. Yeah, right now on Cook, COOK. Thank you, Preston. He's right. You need to start thinking about taking 5 to 20% of your profit off. Hood, Robin Hood, blowing up. I want to see Hood break 40.25 though. That's when we'll get in for a swing trade. $7 of risk, if that comes. Oh, I have no idea, Matt. You know, we get in at the proper points so that wherever the things go, we're happy because we got in at the lowest risk point. And then if the thing, goes incredible, then we got an amazing reward. So, we've seen it all. We've seen these things do immensely well. And then we've seen these things just destroy us. OLB halted. Okay, let's pull up OLB. 4R again today. All right. Is it OLB? Yeah, OLB. Okay. Okay, SPY real close to yesterday's low. Correct. 437.20 is what we're looking for. Break of 437.20. And at that point, we can take SPY puts on SPY. Okay, get ready on Robinhood to take a swing trade entry. That's a multiple day entry on Robinhood Hood. Should it break 40.25? And I think it's just about to. I believe we should be able to get options on it. No. Yeah, I can only get stock. $7 of risk. And Wilhelm has opened up for trading. So if you finally just got in at $7, we'll be looking for $7.25 for our next. Was it $7.25 for our next profit level? Right underneath, take 5 to 25% off. Now, for those of you looking to get into Wilhelmina, if it breaks $7.30, you can get in for 40 cents of risk. Okay, technically we need to get out of SSNC and the Dream Stop method. I'm closing out my position in SNCS. SSNC. What did I say? SSNC. I missed it. You guys get on the SPY puts. Wow, I missed the entry on that while I was filling another order. It's too late. You can only get $1 of drop from 437.25 to 436.25. That's the SPY panic play. Okay, good, Norm. But you want to get out at 436.25 maximum, And if it starts going against you, you want to dump them pretty fast. Yep. Yep. Wilhelm created another entry for you there for that 40 cents of risk I mentioned. Could allow you to top off or get in. Trading is crazy on Wilhelmina. You can't trade Robinhood on Robinhood. Oh, that's ridiculous. $40.25. Yeah, what does it say when you try to trade Robinhood on Robinhood? Man, you guys are making money on that SPY puts there. Excellent, Norm. Yeah, I missed it. Oh, such a good play. You ready to take it just about all out there at 436.25? You can keep like 20% on. OLB has resumed trading at 6.5. If you want that halt stock, you'll have to wait for it to break 6.51 and get in for about 50 cents of risk. Preston. You're going to get your ass kicked really hard one day on that one, and you're just going to, wow. One day you'll learn why you don't take a play after it's already happened, after entry is already passed. Because you're going to lose like $700 on that same exact play one time. I'm telling you. That's good. That's good. Although you probably didn't calculate your risk correctly for options. So what does that mean? Don't poke the beehive. You get what you get and you don't poke the beehive. All right, we got to get out of SSNC. Did I already? I think I was trying to, and that's exactly when the market went against us. Now it's even in a worse position. I have to alert that to the group. Be right back with you guys. I never would have thought SSNC would have not went super profitable. But anyway, we got out at about break even. Exit. Ming. SSNC. Dream stop hit. Stopped out. Don't poke my position sign. It's like buying a ticket to go see a movie and credits. That's what options are. Good point. It did go pretty well, yeah, and they can continue pretty well. It's just that's the way it goes sometimes, and then some other times it's going to do outstanding. Like I think DHR is still doing great. Yeah, DHR is still hanging in there really nicely. Waste management. Did it hit? No, it still didn't hit the ultimate bottom. 436.25. Yeah, let me check the McDonald's. McDonald's, you got to cut. Dream stop out. Boy, we needed to cut that like the beginning of the day there. We didn't need to take those further losses. Out of McDonald's. Out of McDonald's. Stop hit. All right, I've had enough of that new view. Go. Now it works fine. Screw Fidelity's new view. I tried to get used to it. All right, I have to let everybody know about that one as well. Oh, we're still good on CMCSA. And then Navi. Oh, we hit 770 on Wilhelm when I wasn't looking. Would DreamStop stopped out of MCD yesterday? I don't think so. I'll take a look at it again in a second. All right, Navi's doing fine. On McDonald's? No, not at all, because yesterday's high was not below any other candle's low. Oh my God, Chris, on what? What are you talking about? Jeez. Yep, there's so many lessons to be learned, Chris. You know, that's why I say if you're still learning, just trade with paper trading. Why blow real money on mistakes that, you know, eventually you're going to not make anymore? Somebody asked me, oh, by the way, you may want to get out of Wilhelm at your break even if you've been taking profits at 725, 750, and 775. If you happen to be one of the people who got in later at the $7 level, it's now pulling back there. be careful to make sure you get out at break even if it hits. Yeah. What I was saying was that somebody asked me once, if I could go back into the past, and just give myself some principles, some advice, some principles about trading, what would it be? Literally, it would be do not trade with real money for 3 years. Like my first 3 years of trading should have um, been paper trading. Learned so much. Okay, you guys got to get out of SPY puts. That's obviously bounced now. All right, 1.5%. Okay. Right when you said Cook is heading down, Norm, it started going back up. We have a green candle break over a red candle high, which is good. Anybody think the market's going to do well today? No, I don't think so. I think that if the market breaks the low again, you could try puts at that moment again. I think today's going to be negative Nancy day. Market. Nice. That's right. SPY puts. Yeah, possibly Preston, but sometimes, yeah, probably like Thursday or Friday, maybe next week. We'll see. Could happen faster or slower than expected. The one thing I can never quite nail is timing, as far as like the market saying, oh, okay, well, I think in the next several days it's going to do this, and all of a sudden it does all of that in one day, and I'm like, oh my god. Or I think it's going to go up here, and I was right, but it took like 2 months. Holly, Team, AMD, BP, PCSA, RMED, LC, AHPI. AHPI is actually kind of just hanging in there. Hagili, OTLK, RL, Sedge, ZI, Wilhelm. All right. And then Amazon trending down slowly. Tesla sideways down. Apple sideways. There's not a lot of direction. You need direction to make money. Day trading. And, well, swing trading too. Looks like Deer is coming up off the bottom a bit. All right, ZI, if anyone was in that, I don't know if we triggered an entry. You got to be way out of that now. I don't think we triggered an entry. It's possible though. I think we did trigger an entry for $3 of risk. That's right. You exit on ZI if you're in it. Exit it, or it's too late. This fucker is dropping like a ton of bricks right now. The HR trade just keeps going. I'm up 111% on that now. JAR. I'm gonna go post gains progress. That Lixt looks pretty choppy and low volume. Extremely wide retracements. Definitely trade that at your own risk. I don't recommend that one. A low, very low quality trade. And there goes SPY breaking the low again. 436.26. So now you'll be looking for 435.26 if you can make it. Anybody in Sedge? Coming up on your break, your stop now. Well, it depends on when you got in. Should be out at your break even. Wow, Amazon really, really falling now. Tesla as well. Tesla is taking direction, and Amazon is taking direction. Apple, it looks like everybody's getting out of that as well. The Qs, QQQ. Get those puts on SPY. I forget Sedge. This market is bleeding red today. You know, we have utilities going up. That's it. So this rotation, this is a scare rotation. In other words, institutionals are pulling out of growth and putting it into protective stocks. In fact, let me take a look at gold. Well, gold hasn't full on rallied yet, but to be putting into utilities and consumer staples right now, which is what's happening, the money flow is going over there, is a sign of crash protection. So it looks like institutionals are using the day to pull out of everything and move it on over to safety stocks, such as Walgreens, Walmart, utilities. So, well, what are some? Let's go take a look at what are some of the tops in each of those categories. I mean, you know, I was going to say Target, but less so Target because Target's just a little bit higher up, you know. It's not your basic needs level. It's a store that's like basic needs for snobs. You know what I mean? It's like, have you ever been there? It's like it's basic needs level up 1 or 2, you know. Target is like Walmart, but level 2, level 3, you know. It is. It's the same exact store. It's just like everything's just slightly tweaked up a little bit. So much more expensive. Like you can get the toilet paper at Target, sure, but it costs another $7 and it's premium. It has 3 ply, you know. But during a crash or something, people aren't looking for that. They're going to the dollar store. So there's one, Dollar General store. If there is a stock for that, I forget. It's called General Store, Dollar Tree, so one of those. And then CVS. Yes, those are the stocks. So that's happening pretty heavily right now. Those stocks are going up. Rotation going on. Target is having a green day. And Walmart as well. Now, I was trying to see over in the utility sector, Saks. Excuse me. Holdings. There we go. Give me that one. Holdings. A lot of energy companies in the utility sector. NEE, N-E-E. Duke Energy, D-U-K. The biggest one is NEE. So that's probably what's pulling the utilities up. Yeah, knee is going up. All right, watch your SPY puts. If they come back to you, just cut them. It's just not worth it. They can go against you so hard. You want to let them go against you. Yes. Yeah, Sergio knows. Comes to the SPY panic play. If it's not just a precipitous drop and panic, you do not want to be holding those. Very risky. What did somebody ask me? What are some good options to get? I don't know. What do you mean? Can you explain your question a little more? Like put some thesis behind it. Like considering XYZ, what should I get? Peg, Duke, Southern SO. Dominion. Yeah, definitely. I mean, once SPY finds whatever bottom it wants for the day, oh man, it rips back up really hard, and it will just annihilate you. It looks like it. Yeah, J&J, good entry. Uh-huh. Yes. I might even call this swing trade. We can give it a try. All right. 71.32. $2.50 of risk. Johnson & Johnson, $2.50 of risk. Trade. My wife says that Spirit Airlines system is not working. The website is not working. The phones aren't working. And they've canceled hundreds and hundreds of flights across the country. And they haven't explained why. This is really weird. Yeah. All right. I'm going to get into Johnson & Johnson. Swing trade here. Oh, now you hear there is a strike? Look, there was rumor. There was rumor that there might be a strike. Now is the news that they're on strike? Double check if that's a rumor. Uh, well, I get Johnson & Johnson. Huh, still a rumor, yeah. I don't know how you can like on strike on a company that's like so digital and so futuristic, as far as all their check-ins, everything is so smooth. They should have plenty of extra money to keep all those people happy. Terrible. American Spirit Airlines, American Airlines. Oh, so it's kind of both of them. Okay. Cancel 800 flights. Wow. Let me pull up that article. This was as of. Yeah, they left everyone stranded. Like, fuck. I'm pretty sure, like, if I got on that airplane, look, if they're going to conspire to strike without even giving us any warning, I think we should conspire to fucking beat the shit out of every one of them when they get back on the airplane and when they reopen the airplanes. Because, yeah, that is a real asshole move. If they're going to fuck us like that, then we're going to fuck them. That's what I'd be organizing at the airport. I'd be whispering in everybody's ears, okay, when this plane gets back here, we're gonna fucking take these motherfuckers hostage. You're gonna beat some sense into them. Take me to your leader. There goes Hood. Robin Hood was 40.25 for $7 of risk. Swing trade is on. Interface. Oh, FBI. Yeah, man. Jesus. You got the unions, I guess is what it is. Now ruining people's lives. I mean, there's probably like little babies trapped in the airport and children. I mean, that is a real dickhead asshole move. I mean, if there's going to be a strike, you give us some warning, man. Like 2 weeks. ACY looks pretty good. Yeah. Wow, wow. It's about to break out of multiple points. ACY looks really good, guys. Is in the Dominican Republic right now, too. They're trapped there, Alex? Sure, they probably are, man. Get in touch with them. Tell them Spirit and American Airlines are dropping the ball and stranding all their customers. I can't believe like the stock hasn't dropped further. Oh, they're on Southwest. That's good. So that was the IPOU breakout on Hood, on Robinhood. So now Robinhood can potentially uh, do a zig from the zigzag of a trend, and so a couple of days of green are possible for Robinhood. See, look at SPY. Look at SPY. I mean, we are talking. It's just ripping off the bottom. And you can never know when that's going to do that. Don't be interested in counter trend trading. Just let it be. But those blue sky fresh virgin breakouts, like break down like it just did, the panic, those are bread and butter plays. Our worst position right now is swing position is probably CMCSA. That's the one where we're hit the hardest at the moment. Everything else is doing just fine. Yeah, Mac, I think it's an interesting speculation play for sure. I don't understand why it hasn't tanked further already. Yeah, I mean, while it's still a rumor, why don't we? I'm going to do that too. Well, I mean, I just got the August 20 because I'm just going to be in it for boom, 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 and then out. So, but that's cool, man. That might actually work out because it might go down until then. I got the 30 strike, August 20 puts on save. Well, Hijili has completely crapped out, and ZI, what a crap out on that one. If the market was better today, my God, ZI probably could really turn around. I'm going to keep that up just in case it does. OLB, way too low volume. We are actually still in Wilhelm, aren't we? Well, the ones of us that got in pre-market. All right. I do believe that the market's going to really tense up and just not provide direction now. And it would not be a good idea for you guys to trade away all your money today. So I'm calling my own session now, and I am in a couple things. We got in a couple swing trades. We're still in Wilhelm. I am, and a couple other things. And just watch yourselves out there, and just don't overtrade today. Take it easy. Yeah. Study, decompress, whatever you got to do. Do some chores. Come back strong tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be trading all day, 100%, no matter what the day is. Up, down, sideways, bad, good, frozen, fed, amazing, IPO, whatever it is, the whole day. All right, you guys have a great Tuesday, rest of the day. Please tag me in the group if there's anything you want me to take a look at. Have a good one. How'd you guys do? You guys make some R today? I think we did okay. It was a little bit here and there. Right, later. Later, RJ.